Hey everyone, this is Vinny with CustomWebTools.com. A lot of you know me as the Excel guy, as we have been building our logistics Excel tools for the last 16 years. As such, we have over 7,000 happy customers over the years and gathered over 150 five-star reviews on Google. And now the same tool quality and same amazing customer service, based on our clients' requests, we are bringing to the web. Customers such as you have been demanding that we build our tools for the web, and here we are. Today I want to showcase our tool, the Batch Geocoder. If you've ever needed to convert an address to coordinates, and not just one address, but a whole list of them, this is the tool for you. Whether you've got 10 addresses or 100, you can convert them all to latitude and longitude coordinates in seconds. No coding, no expensive GIS software, no copy pasting from Google Maps one at a time. Just paste your addresses and go. Let me show you how it works. I've got a list of addresses here. Could be delivery stops, customer locations, warehouse addresses, whatever you need. I'm going to paste them right into the tool. You can also upload a CSV or Excel file if that's easier. We click Geocode and the tool does the rest. And just like that, every address comes back with precise latitude and longitude coordinates, a formatted address, and an accuracy level, so you know exactly how reliable each result is. A couple of benefits of using the web tool. First, your results are saved in the system. You can come back and download them anytime without running the job again. Second, if you run the same addresses again, the tool is smart enough to pull from saved results first. So you're not wasting API calls and it's faster. And third, you can export everything to CSV with one click. That CSV file opens right up in Excel, Google Sheets, or you can import it directly into your mapping or routing software. Now, the tool uses the Google Maps API, so you get the same accuracy as Google Maps itself. You set up your own API key. We walk you through it step by step. Takes about 5 minutes, and Google gives you $200 a month in free credits. That's roughly 40,000 address-to-coordinate conversions per month at no cost to you, and your API key is encrypted on our end. It's not readable by us or even you once it's saved. That ensures your data stays private and secure. And it is really as simple as that. Come check the Batch Geocoder for a free trial. 14 days, no credit card required. You will be pleasantly surprised. Oh, and one more thing. If you have any questions, feel free to chat with me via the chat link. No bots, just talking to me, and I will make sure to answer any questions. Simple as that. Follow the link in the description and start converting your addresses to coordinates today. Till next time.